Come here, get in here. Say, I love mom, and we love to be outside. So being a girl means you're gonna get bulky when you lift weights. Yeah, for sure. Actually, no. Let's get into it. So you don't wanna lift heavy because you don't wanna have man arms, man veins, and man feet. I get it. I don't wanna have man feet either. But here's the truth behind women and weightlifting. You're not gonna look like a man. You're not. So that wasn't enough to convince you? Okay, fine. We'll get into more data and actual research and shit. But I'm telling you, just don't trust me. Fine. So, you know how men have testosterone? Women have it too. Yes, women have testosterone too. Just like women have estrogen and men have estrogen. Even though they're female and male hormones, we both have them. They do specific things for our body. But women have 10 to 20% less testosterone than men. So that means that it's impossible for us to be bulky like a man. We don't have the testosterone to build that. Most of the time, that bulky look that you're looking at is water weight, eating sloppily, or maybe PEDs, meaning they're on an enhancement drug to help them get big as fuck, because maybe they wanna have big juicy arms. Maybe they wanna have big juicy arms or super lean body fat, or they want their veins to be popping. There's different goals for different people, but for a normal person that's not gonna hop on anything, you're not gonna get bulky. So what does muscle actually do for your body? For one, it's adding strength. It's letting you be independent. For me, I'm an independent woman. I like to do things by myself. I want to be strong enough to be able to do things without a man. Now, if I have a man around and he can help me, great. But I don't wanna be limited because I'm not strong enough to do something by myself. Strength is power as a woman, for one. Two, having muscle mass is going to help your body increase its metabolism to help you burn fat, build muscle, be healthy, and honestly, stay healthy for the rest of your life. I tell this to people all the time. A lot of times people want this skinny figure, which is fine if that's really what you want, but think about your body long term. As we age, our muscle density goes down and so does our muscle mass. If you have weak legs right now, imagine how you're gonna be when you're 60. Are you gonna be able to carry the weight of your body to do the movement that you need to do daily as you get older? Probably not. It's super important to build that, and being on this healthy wave of strength training is going to increase your bone density, increase your muscle mass, keeping you agile until the day you, just a simple way to put it. So lifting heavy is going to reshape your body, add some curves, increase your muscle mass, and increase your metabolism. What's not to love? Especially if there's no risk of you getting bulky. And I'm just gonna clarify this one more time. Most of the time, the bulky is fat and excess water. It's not even muscle. Just a different way to put it so that you understand. I'm gonna just hound this into your head until you believe me. So I get it. You wanna be feminine. You wanna be a woman. You don't wanna look like a man. Me too. I got you. But let's reframe the fear. Lifting is gonna improve your confidence, not intimidation factors. That toned look is increased muscle mass and less body fat. Lifting heavy is gonna increase your bone density, increasing your muscle mass, adding to the longevity of your life. It's allowing you to be agile and move with your kids and your family and do things. Women who lift actually have better hormone profiles and they're healthier, their immune system's stronger. There's a lot of reasons to lift. Plus, being strong is feminine and it's sexy. So I've trained a ton of women and I still train a ton of women. And this is a conversation I've had repetitively from when I was an in-person personal trainer to even now when I'm an online coach and I'm teaching them just how to live a long and healthy life with balance. My way of coaching is giving them so much confidence, so much strength within themselves, but also increasing their longevity. So this topic I have been going over for years with my clients, from when I was an in-person personal trainer to an online coach like I'm doing now. It is a topic that I'm having all the time. I have women coming to me saying, I want tank top arms and I want long skinny legs that have some lines but not big and bulky, and I don't want to look like a man. Whenever I lift heavy, my shoulders get too big and I have a wide frame or I have thick shoulders. I hear it all the time. But the truth is, you are looking at that bulkiness that you are getting, but you're not getting rid of all the fat. You're not changing and speeding up your metabolism. So to be completely honest, that phrase that everybody tells me, oh, I want the tank top arms and I want this, that, the other, you have to lift in order to get that. You have to clean up your diet in order to get that. You're going out and drinking on the weekends, you're gonna be holding inflammation in water, which is giving you that bulky look. Because think about a marshmallow. Marshmallows are very fluffy. That's what you turn into when you're not sleeping, when you eat out all the time, you're eating processed junk food, alcohol. That's what you're doing to your body. So you're turning into a marshmallow solely because you want to eat that all the time. You are becoming what you don't want to become because you don't know how to do it, which is completely fine. I teach my clients all the time. Lifting is what makes you strong. It's what gives you independence. It's what gives you longevity and the ability to run around with your kids, your grandkids, and your husband. Nobody wants to be in the bed rotting because their muscle mass can't support them anymore. Like, that's just a harsh way of putting it, but nobody wants that, right? You have the opportunity now to change your life around. You have the opportunity now to lose the weight, to change your life, to be healthy. It's up to you if you do it or not. But you gotta get rid of these fake, fictitious myths in your head. So you can't just eat salad or protein and expect to lose weight. Yes, that'll help you lose weight because you're putting yourself in a caloric deficit. You're cutting out all the fake stuff. But without the muscle mass increase, your metabolism is not gonna speed up. You're gonna turn into what they call skinny fat. I hate that term. I hate the term fat anyway, but I'm giving you terms you've already heard. It's the people that they're skinny, but they're not firm, they're jiggly, they're not strong, they can't support themselves. That's what you're gonna turn into. So the best combination, strength training, a little bit of cardio, which let's clarify really quick. Strength training is going to increase your muscle mass, increasing your metabolism. Cardio is going to burn extra calories, putting you more in a deficit, not burning fat. You cannot spot target fat. You cannot burn more fat just by being on cardio for hours and hours a day. It's burning calories, not fat. Strength training burns fat. Okay, just glad we clarified. You cleaning up your diet, eating whole foods, and listening to your body, what it likes, what it doesn't like, cutting out the things that it doesn't, you are going to lose inflammation, water retention, and stress in your body, allowing your hormones to level out, but also getting rid of that marshmallow look that you're not liking that's causing you to look bulky. And I'm not coming at you when I'm telling you all this stuff, but there's just so many things on the internet that are so misleading, and somebody just needs to set it straight. Pisses me off because it has all of you guys just questioning everything all the time. It doesn't have to be hard. But the internet likes buzz and it likes rave. It likes things to be talking and it likes to keep you talking about certain things and searching different things. Fitness is not complicated. It's very simple. And if you need help with that, go to CaleighMackenzie.com, join my coaching program, and I would be more than happy to teach you the ways of the road because I don't do it to the extremes. I don't. And I don't want you to do it either. And I would never ask anything of you that I wouldn't do myself. Let's keep it simple. Let's have a long, healthy life and be there for our family and for the people we love the most. But at the end of the day, the point of this video, even though I went on a rant, is lifting will not make you bulky. That is all myths. Plus, growing a little bit extra muscle in your legs and in your glutes is going to add curves. It's going to keep you strong and agile even as you age. By lifting, there's only good things coming your way. If you don't believe me now, I really don't know what else to say to you. Maybe we're just not gonna see eye to eye on this, and that's completely fine. But I'm sure on my next video we will. So you might as well hit that sub, like, and comment any questions that you have, and I will see you next time.